This is looking so good so far. Here's an idea for what you should give Zach for Christmas. Diamonds! Okay, see, here's the thing though. Here's the thing. Is, he already has diamonds. He has plenty of those. So I feel like getting him diamonds is like getting him more of what he already has. So, chat, if I tell you what I got Skeppy, will you guys tell on me? Can you guys keep a secret? Can you guys keep a secret? I'm contemplating buying someone one of those spheres of nothing. Would you guys hate if someone did that to you for Christmas? I don't even know what that is. I'll have to look at it. I won't say a word. Yes. Okay, you guys promise? You guys swear? You guys swear? I need a pinky promise. I need a pinky promise from chat right now. Pinky promise from chat.